Okay, so I've just been looking at three very common stocks in the market at the moment. The first one's Facebook, second one's Google, and the third one's Microsoft. Now, Facebook is showing signs today of a slight downward trend in the past few hours. Not sure as to why. Facebook is predominantly on a daily or a weekly basis quite a volatile stock anyway, as you can see. For the month at hand, there has been a slight upward trend from where it started off on August 25th, and yearly we see an upward trend overall. Google, on the other hand, holds the highest per share unit value. So if you've already got Google stock, it's most likely you're a millionaire and don't need to be watching this video anyway. But if you haven't, then the way I've gone about investing into this stock in the past is small increments at a time. Stock tends to hold very well on longer term basis, and overall there is a rate of growth. I am surprised to see that during March and May 2017, when the sharks should have come in, or we should have been more bullish on Google stock, things happened with their ad revenue. A lot of their, especially on YouTube, a lot of things happened. They lost a lot of very large commercial relationships, and that has affected, along with all the legal cases that they've got going on globally, that has affected their stock prices, it seems, between March and May 2017 in a positive manner, which I wouldn't have expected. Looking back at the monthly chart, again, another volatile one, so it's always been a stick and hold, and it should continue to be so long term. So next up we have my favorite of all of them, the Microsoft Corporation. Fairly cheap stock to get into, fairly positive stock to hold on to. I mean, overall their performance from just their operating system and from their commercial offerings in terms of business intelligence tools, the SharePoint technology, the Dynamics technologies, overall, Microsoft is still a massive, strong front runner in the tech space, and I think over the next 5 years their stock is bound to get stronger and stronger, month on month, year on year. Their operating system has proven itself for 2 years now. Windows 10, they made a lot of fixes on it and it paid off, and the results, the proof is in the pudding. Look, you can see, look at the charts. Every chart that we look at, a slight downward trend over the week, but pretty much every chart that we look at, you can see a strong long-term upward trend and a strong long-term upward trend. This is a stock that I can get excited about. This is a stock that I would feel comfortable trading on a short-term basis and definitely a long-term basis. Overall, let's summarize all three. So, Facebook, I'll be honest with you, if you can catch a bit of news of where Facebook's either struggling or doing well, I'd go with it. Other than that, I've found it difficult in the past to gauge short-term movement on Facebook properly, where I can make adequate trades fast enough. But over the long term, buy and hold, Facebook's going to grow. They're always working hard. They've just released Marketplace on their platform, which allows you to sell like Gumtree or Craigslist. They're going to move from strength to strength. They're going to carry on growing. Google, massively dominant organization. It's been through thick and thin over the past 10 years, 20 years. Look at it. Performs and performs and performs. It just doesn't stop. It can't be stopped, it seems. Microsoft, out of these three, Microsoft is like, I'd put it as my underdog favourite to trade on. Definitely. So if you like the information in this video, please subscribe, leave a comment below, let me know what you're feeling bullish on, what you're not feeling so confident about, let me know what stocks you'd like me to take a look at, and have a great one.